Hey guys, when building AI agents to automate business tasks on MyPad.io, one of the most important considerations you need to make is which language model to choose for your AI agent, right? Because different language models with different capabilities can produce vastly different results. And especially with the rise of reasoning models lately, the difference between a reasoning model and a non-reasoning model is even wider. So in this video, let me show you the difference between a reasoning model and a conventional traditional language model, so that you can understand the difference in how it works and better design the language model for your next AI agent. Okay, so I was building an online researcher agent specialized in gathering and synthesizing information given a research query. And in this AI agent, I make sure to assign to it two different web search tools here. So Tavily and Gina. These are just my preferred online research tools, but you can assign any other research tools to your AI agent. But make sure you give these research tools to your AI agent, because without them, they won't have access to any knowledge aside from their internal knowledge. Okay, so after that, I choose a language model to power the AI agent. And there are many model options on MyPal you can choose from, but for now, I'm testing with two of my most favorite models, GPT-4o and Gemini 2.0 Flash. So Gemini 2.0 Flash is a reasoning model by Google, but GPT-4o is a traditional model, so it doesn't come with reasoning capability. And the results are very different. So this is the results I receive when I try running the online researcher with GPT-4o. So when I pasted this query, generate a text decision tree about which language model to choose given a business task to automate, the GPT-4o agent calls the Tavily web search 3 times with 3 different queries here. And then it produced the response here in one turn. So this is it. You can check the results here for a closer look. But this is how it works. So this is very familiar with for you, right? But when I tried this online researcher agent with Google Gemini 2.0, the process it takes to execute my query is very different. So it when I give it this query, it actually shows its thinking. So okay, I can help you to do that. Now this is how I approach this. I will gather information, I will identify key decision factors, I will construct the decision tree and provide explanations. Now and then it starts with a research phase, and it uses these tools to start with gathering information on popular LLMs first. So this is its plan. So it gets started with its query, and then after that, it summarize what it found about the popular LLMs, and this is its a summary. And then the next step in this plan is to refine the search with Tavily to get more specific information about the cost and ease of use for these LLMs. And that's why it call these tools in the second turn. And in this case, it uses a different tool, different query, so cost comparison here. And this is the raw result. And then after that, when it has gathered all of the information about the cost and ease of use of these tools, now it has enough information. Then it generates the decision tree here, as you can see, and then it provides the explanations and some important considerations. Now, can you spot the difference here? Well, the difference here is that while a traditional model like GPT-4o, it just takes one turn to answer this question. So it called the research tool and it generate the response. A reasoning model actually takes multiple steps to answer this. And this is completely flexible on its own. So when with the same question I asked, the online researcher powered by Gemini 2.0 actually takes, I think, 3 different turns here. Alternating between calling the research tool and generating its response in order to arrive to the final conclusion here. So, as you can see, the way a reasoning model works and the way a non-reasoning model works is quite different. So when for your next AI agents, depending on your needs, depending on the complexity and your requirements, you should test these different AI models, especially testing with a reasoning model and a non-reasoning model to make your best decision about which model to choose, right? Okay, that's it for today. I hope you found this information helpful.